Hey y'all. Okay. So I got my first two students and my first 5-star review. And my class is listed as hot and new. It don't just say new. It says hot and new. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. Look, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys. Even if you haven't signed up for the class, I see y'all saving my video. I see y'all sharing my video. Just know that I see you and I appreciate you. And this motivates me to keep on going. And to my paralegals out there, don't worry, I got you. It's coming. It's coming. And it's going to be good. So, you guys, please keep on liking and sharing and tagging people and sign up. Sign up. Just trust me, you will not be disappointed. You're going to learn a lot. I know time is of the essence, and I respect your time. And that's why I condensed the class down. All the information you need in 40 minutes with video tutorial, with samples that you can download and practice on. Trust me, y'all, I'm setting you up for success. And don't get it twisted. There's more to come for this notary stuff. It's so much to cover in this industry. But guess what? I got you. I got you. All right, love y'all.